Good morning and welcome back to Traveling Cat Photos. I'm Kat.
I'm Harry.
And if you've been following the last few episodes, we are in LA trying to discover some of the lesser known areas. Some of the small regional museums and outdoor spaces you may never have heard about before. So today is a little less complicated. We are headed out to have lunch at a new place called Pasta Sisters. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. I'll let you know, let you get a glimpse of the food. And then we are off to Museum of Dream Space. So this is a fully immersive experience, kind of like the Van Gogh exhibition that's been going on. And we're pretty excited to be able to go see that. And then we're gonna end the day with dinner for a wonderful 80th birthday celebration for my mom, who's been along with us. You've seen her in some of the episodes. And then kind of check out LA at night a little bit afterwards. So we're happy to take you along with us. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button. And let me show you our view and why, despite what Cher said in Clueless, it does not take 20 minutes to get anywhere in LA. It takes at least an hour. Yep, traffic. LA's famous for it. So whenever you are budgeting time to go anywhere, budget at least an hour to be stuck in traffic. But LA does have some pretty freeway walls to look at, and sometimes graffiti that looks like murals, so you won't be totally bored. All right, find a great radio station, buckle up, and hang out for an hour. We'll see you at the restaurant. Getting across LA is never a straightforward thing. Google Maps will route you in all different directions to help you avoid the freeways and save you time. I'm sure those who live there know the real ways to save time, but we go with the flow, and very often it leads us past some cool views and more of the LA murals. Unfortunately, since we were meeting people at the restaurant, we didn't have time to pull over and explore this artwork as much as we have liked to have done so. But we did get to see a lot of really cool views on our way. But we did make it to Pasta Sisters in Culver City in time to meet up with the rest of our family.
Pie.
I've heard about their pies.
Apricot. Oh,
they have the horns.
yeah. You're gonna get that.
Oh, I'm gonna have to get that.
Yeah.
Whatever the blood orange.
Be very careful carrying it like that.
It's pretty yummy.
Okay, well, good to know. Okay, so we are at Pasta Sisters. Nate, tell us what you got. Show us what you got.
Meat lasagna.
Wonderful. Why'd you get that?
Because I love lasagna.
Okay. Curry, what'd you get?
Truffle gnocchi. And because it's truffle gnocchi, who doesn't eat that?
All right, Mom, what did you end up getting?
I got gnocchi pesto with all kinds of goodness in it.
All right, Jason and Liz, what did you end up getting?
I ended up getting the gnocchi pesto with some chicken. I got it because I love pesto and I like chicken and I like gnocchi. So.
And you guys have been here before, right?
No, this is our first time here.
First time?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, Liz, what's yours?
The truffle.
She's got their truffle ravioli special. So.
Oh, it's a special of the day?
Yeah. It's
Oh,
got
okay.
a black truffle oil or something in it too. So.
Wow.
Ooh.
Thank
I
you.
got the salmon because that's what I can eat.
Could I have
That's what I can
a little
eat.
bit more bread?
More bread? Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, and I got the gnocchi with the 3 cheese sauce.
That looks good.
Hello.
So what's Parker doing in LA?
Nothing.
So we decided to give the kids something to do and headed for the Love Wall. As we were walking to our car, we found these cool movie sculptures. including one of my all-time favorites, Rebecca, starring Laurence Olivier and Joan Fontaine, and directed by the great Alfred Hitchcock. So the Love Wall is considered to be someplace definitely to come in Culver City and take your selfie. We happily posed in front of the Love Wall. Stick around to the end of the video for Parker's pics, as well as his photo of our family. We also found a cool cactus and the Culver City stairs. Jason and Liz have made it up all 500 steps a few times. Culver City is an arts district. The buildings of this area either had art pieces in front of them, as part of them, or on them. So cool. We made our way across town past the beautiful Peterson Auto Museum and then the gorgeous new Academy Museum of Motion Pictures. We still wanted to visit, but tickets are sold out on weekends for many weeks to come. And only in LA will you see a gold BMW and the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences building in the same block. But we finally made it to the Beverly Center and to Mods. Cameras and small professional equipment are allowed, and you can pose next to any of the art pieces. And if you don't like the color, just wait a second. It'll change to a new one. Museum of Dreamspace, MODS, is the first museum mainly exhibiting digital art in the United States. The design concept of MODS is inspired by art design from artist Yayoi Kusama. This is an immersive, magical, and a very unique art experience. We had fun trying to capture photos and videos in each of the rooms, including Parker. And now you get to see how we captured all of those angles. Reservations with spaced out visitors made it easy to social distance, but we did wear our masks if there was anyone else in the room with us. This was Liz's favorite room, the blingy one. The Beverly Center location rates begin at $42 for general admission, but there are lots of discounts. We waited for a holiday sale, buy one, get one, in order to get our party of 6 in for the cost of 3. Each location has their own fee scale, so check with the location you want to visit and look for sales or discounts before you go. We found this place to be amazing and very much worth the money to explore. Each of the rooms were different, and we had a full hour to explore the whole exhibition space. This room was my absolute favorite, and I was definitely dazzled by the lanterns. Liz couldn't wait to try out the cupcake vending machine at the Beverly Center, but I have to admit, it entertained all of us.
Like more than one. My favorite part.
I'll sing a song to you.
What song is it?
Can you hear the song?
After the Beverly Center, we made our way back to Culver City past this cool mural and the Sony movie studios on our way to dinner at Ruths Chris Steakhouse. Time for dinner. This beautiful restaurant was the perfect place to celebrate my mom's 80th birthday. To find out more about why it's called Ruths Chris Steakhouse, check out the link listed below in the description. It's a super fun story.
I did very well tonight.
Everybody say hi.
Hi.
After me, I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And notice sprinkles. Mom's favorite meal is steak and lobster, and this place does not disappoint. And where else but LA would you see something like a type of Batmobile in the parking lot next to your car? Okay, so we literally ran out of time and light last night to do a Parker's Picks, but we want to make sure to tell you what Parker liked best yesterday. So Parker, give us the 3 things that you loved the best yesterday.
So the first one was the museum, and the second one was the love wall.
So the museum was Museum of Dream Space in the Beverly Center in Los Angeles. And the next one was the Love Wall, which was the mural in Culver City, right? And what's the third thing you liked best about yesterday?
The steakhouse bread.
Absolutely, the steakhouse. So Ruth Chris Steakhouse, the bread, actually all the food there was amazing.
I was so full of bread, I was in pain.
I think we were all very full. Before you go, if you could take a second to hit that thumbs up and that red subscribe button, every little bit helps this channel grow. We've had so much fun sharing day 6 with you in LA. We can't wait to share day 7. We'll see you next time.